Hey everyone, and welcome back to MY channel. Today, we're tackling a question that's been burning a hole in a lot of your pockets. Does Dave really deposit your paycheck early? We all know the struggle. Bills pile up, unexpected expenses pop up, and sometimes that paycheck just feels ages away. Dave, the popular financial app, promises to ease that burden by offering early access to your earned wages. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? The hook, early access versus early promises. Before we dissect Dave's early deposit system, let's address the elephant in the room. Early access to your paycheck sounds fantastic, right? Imagine having that extra cushion a few days before payday. But here's the thing, is it truly early access, or are we just talking about faster availability of funds you've already earned? That's exactly what we'll be figuring out today. Breaking down Dave's early deposit system. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Dave boasts of features like instant deposits and advance. Let's explore what each means for your paycheck. Instant deposits. This feature allows you to get your paycheck potentially earlier than your usual payday. However, there are some key things to remember. It's not guaranteed. While Dave claims to process some payroll providers super fast, there's always a chance your employer submits your paycheck later, delaying your access. Limited amount. There's a cap on how much you can access early through instant deposits. This limit varies depending on your employer and your deposit history with Dave. Advance. This feature allows you to borrow against your upcoming paycheck. Essentially, you're taking a small payday loan from Dave itself. Here's the catch. Fees. There are no upfront fees for advances, but Dave charges a variable amount based on the amount you borrow. This can range from $1 to $10, so keep that in mind. Potential overdraft. If you don't have enough funds in your account on payday to cover the advance, you might incur overdraft fees from your bank. The reality check. Is early deposit right for you? So, Dave can definitely get you access to your money a bit sooner, but there are some trade-offs to consider. Are you okay with potential delays? Instant deposits aren't an absolute guarantee. If access to your money is time-sensitive, Dave might not be the most reliable solution. Can you manage the fees? Advances might seem convenient, but those recurring fees can add up. Make sure you can comfortably repay the advance on your next payday without straining your budget. What about alternatives? Before jumping on the Dave bandwagon, consider talking to your employer. Some companies offer early direct deposit options, eliminating the need for a third-party app. The bottom line, Dave as a financial tool. Look, Dave can be a helpful tool, especially if you need a small financial buffer occasionally. But it's crucial to use it responsibly. Here are some tips. Track your expenses. Don't rely solely on early access to cover unnecessary spending. Create a budget and stick to it. Avoid the advance trap. Only use advances for true emergencies, and make sure you can repay them without relying on another advance the next pay cycle. Explore other options. Consider other budgeting apps or talking to your bank about account features that can help you manage your cash flow better. Remember, Dave is a tool, not a magic solution. Financial responsibility comes down to your habits and planning. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and financially empowered.